America, where the ocean meets the blue sky. Fly freely, dreams soar high. America is vast with many new things, adventurers, soul, ambition and desire. A land of freedom and vibrant colors, a promising place for those who dare dream. Come here to conquer, pursue your passion, overcome challenges, achieve success. America, where the ocean meets the blue sky. Fly freely, dream so high. America is vast with many new things, adventure, earth, soul, ambition and desire. A land of freedom and vibrant colors, a promising place for those who dare to dream. Come here to conquer, pursue your passion, overcome challenges, achieve success. From cities with bright lights to the peaceful and quiet countryside. Diverse, beauty, rich culture. The American soul contains so many miracles. A land of freedom and vibrant colors, a promising place for those who dare to dream. Come here to conquer, pursue your passion, overcome challenges, achieve success. America, creativity originates where ideas flourish and dreams burn. Where people strive to pursue goals with sweat, tears, and heart. A land of freedom and vibrant colors, a promising place for those who dare to dream. Come here to conquer, pursue your passion, overcome challenges, achieve success. Land of the free, the lovely America, where people live, contribute, and grow. Where dreams can take off and fly high, and hope always brightens the future.